Guys, welcome back to another video, and it's your girl Kissy Unstoppable. And as you see my ingredients there, I'm gonna make some carrot and beet punch. Yeah, carrot and beet punch.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back. So this is my carrot and my beet. I normally boil my carrot and beet, and why you see the ice inside, because it's hot, so I want it to cool down a little before I put it in the blender. When you boil your beets and your carrot, you get a better what should I say, it tastes better to me. That's what I should say. I don't know if I'm making sense, but it tastes better to me. Guys, my blender is here, so I'm gonna put my my beet and my carrot inside the blender. So now guys, that my carrot and my beet is in the blender, I'm gonna blend it up right now. I finished blended my beet and my carrot. Look at this. So now I'm gonna add some white rum, Ray and Nephew. I'm pouring my Jamaican Stout. I'm putting the old bottle. This is the closest I come to drink alcohol, guys. I don't drink. I'm gonna add some almonds. I'm gonna add some vanilla. I'm gonna add my SUPLIGEN. I'm gonna add my Irish mash. So guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And also put on your notification so you know each time I upload a video. Watch a video, comment down below, and check me out also guys on Instagram at Kissy Kitchen. That's Kissy Kitchen on Instagram. I'm gonna add some nutmeg. I add in my condensed milk, and this I made this carrot punch before. Yeah, I have it on my channel before, but somebody asked me if I can do it again, so here I am. So I put a whole can of milk inside. Scrape out the can, nothing not throw away. That's the finished product of my carrot and beet punch. Look at that richness. Look at this. Oh my god, look at that. So I'm gonna pour a glass and let you guys see. Look at that richness right there. So guys, that's how I made my carrot and my beet punch. All I want you guys to do, just like this video, share this video out, comment down below, let me know what you think about this lovely glass of carrot and beet punch. And also don't forget to put on your notification so you know each time your girl upload a video. I hope you all enjoy this video. Until next time, I'm out.